In today's tutorial today, I want to walk you through how you can design this social media flyer in Photoshop. Let's head into our home. We want to create a new project. In today's tutorial, I want to use like 4x5 inches. Let's name our project. RGB color, all these settings like this. Let's create our new project. These are how your interface, your canvas interface will look like. The next step is to head into our adjustments. Under adjustment, we click on the solid color. Yeah, let me copy this. Let me paste this color code that I want to use. You can see this is the color code I want to use. I'll click OK. The next step in this one is to head into our resources. So I will bring this guy. I'll just drop it here like this. I'll just set it here like this. I'll click OK again. The next I'll go to my blend option. I'll turn it to multiply. I can increase my opacity a little bit. I think it's okay for me like this. The next step in this one is to head into your layer mask. Click on the layer mask. Click on your brush. You can off your cap lock. You can increase. So let your brush should be soft round. Hardness should be 0. The size should be 600 like this. You can click the outside and let your program brush should be black. You just clean this part like this. If you clean the edges like this, that is too sharp. The next step is to duplicate this. You will just hold your Alt on your keyboard, duplicate it like this. You can flip it. You can press Ctrl C to transform. Right click again. You can flip to horizontal, which is really good for me. The next step is to head into our layer. So head into our brush again. We want to clean this part. I think this is okay for me. The next step is to head into our text. We want to write our text. So I'm using the hammer Gothic on this board. So I'll just click. So I can make my text bold like this. Just make it bold. Just make it bold like this. I think it's okay for me. Next step is I'll duplicate. I will hold my Alt to duplicate this text, which is I'll write week. So I'll hold my shift to align it very well. So I can drag this down like this and close to each other. So I think that is okay for me. The next step is to write the last text, which I'll head to my text again. I'll click on this. So I'll just write. I'll click OK again. So we are not using these particular fonts. I'll get into my viewpoint, which is I'll turn it to 0. So I'll head into my font again. I want to use victory on this. So I'll head into this guy. I'll change it to semi-bold, which is really good for me. I can bring it down like this. So you can see it. I'll just bring it down like this. The next step is to align everything like this. So I can flip it like this. Don't worry. Flip it like this. Just turn it, flip it like this. So you can make it bold a little bit. Can make it bold. I think it's okay for me like this. I think it is okay. The next step in this particular one is, you can see this new. I'll click on new layers. So I can use this particular white color. I'm heading to my brush again. So I can click on the soft brown brush. Let's your hardness should be 0 again. So I can off my cap lock. So I'll just put it here like this. See, this is what I want to achieve. So I can stretch it here like this. Next step is to edit to my blend option. I'll click OK. I'll edit to my blur and short. I can turn it to screen, which is good for me. Next step is right click again. I can click mask inside it like this, which is really fine for me. So the next step in Ellipse Tutorial 1 is to bring Ellipse tools. So you can draw your Ellipse tool like this. Let's draw our Ellipse tool. You can click OK. Let me show you the color code that I use for this particular color code that I use. I'll click OK again. So once you still want to work on, I'll press Ctrl T to transform. So I'll just flip it like this. Don't worry. Arrange it very well. I can stretch. So I can hold my shift to stretch it like this. Don't worry, I'll arrange it very well like this. So I can make it bold. I make it bold like this. I'll click OK again. The next step is to create a new layer mask. Beside it, head into your brush. I can increase my brush. So I'll just cleanse up path that I don't want to see. I'll cleanse up path that I don't want to see here. So I can highlight everything, which is I will highlight everything like this. I can press Ctrl T, transform, which is I will just arrange it very well. I can make it bold like this. I'll click OK again. I can bring this down a little bit. The next step is this one is to reduce this particular one. Just fitting like this. I'll click OK again. Next step is to edit our resources again and bring this guy. So you can see it. I'll just drop it here like this. So if you want to know how I generate this image and flow, so just go and watch this video that is popping on your screen. So this video will tell you how you can generate image in flow. So thank you very much. So let me set it very well. I think it's okay for me like this. The next step is to head into our filter tabs. I'll click on the camera raw filter, so I can make it closer like this. So I will just head into my effect. I will increase my texture, increase my clarity, head into my details. Under the details, I will increase the sharpness. I will increase the noise reduction as well. Until I'll just click OK. The next thing in this particular one is to do here is to click on this guy. You create a new layer. So you just head into your brush like this. So one thing you just want to give this guy a shadow. I will reduce my brush like this. Just follow my settings how I do this. You can see it. You can reduce your opacity in this one if it is too much. You can reduce opacity like this if it is too much. I think 63 is okay for me. Or you can increase it if you just feel like. I think it's okay for me. So our design is almost taking shape. The next step is to head into our resources again and bring these laptops. Yeah. So I will just make my laptop. I'll position it here like this. Don't worry, I'll position it here very well. Let me position it very well. I'll click OK again. I'll click on this. I'll click the new layer at the down. I'll edit to my brush again. Just want to give some shadow. Done. Just click one like this. Click here like this. Don't worry. So the next step in this tutorial, you create a layer mask. Layer mask for you. Edit your brush. So you just want to clean some part like this. If you made a mistake, you can press Ctrl Z to go back again. So you can clean thoroughly. So you can clean very well. like this. If it is too much, you can increase your opacity. You can increase your opacity like this. I think it's really okay for me. So one thing I want to do here is I'll just align everything. I want to align everything. I'll press Ctrl T to transform, so I can shift this down a little bit. Yeah. I'll click OK, which is really good for me. So our design is almost finished. The next step is to bring my handle. Click on I'll just bring this Machola logo on this one. I'll copy it. I'll just paste it here like this. I'll arrange it very well. I'll arrange it very well. I can press Ctrl G to group it, so I can Ctrl A to align. Just want to align it very well to be in center. Ctrl D to deselect. I think this is very okay for me. You can see it. So the next step is adding to our background here. You can see it. That is the last step. You can duplicate it with press Ctrl J for the reference. So the next one is I'll add it to my filter tabs. I'll add it to my noise and add noise. So it's showing that I should convert it to smart object or rasterize. So I'll press convert to smart object. Drift this here like this. So in this particular one, I'm using 6. Let's use 5 first, or let's use 4. Yeah, I'll just click OK. These are actually this new week, new goal social media flyer in Photoshop. So if this video is really helping you and you are gaining a lot from the video, like the video, subscribe for more Photoshop tutorial, turn on notification bell, and share with your fellow designers. And most importantly, thank you for the 700 subscribers. I really appreciate it. If it was not you guys, we will not be here. Thank you very much. Let's push it to 1K. Thank you very much. See you in my next episode. Bye for now.